Okay, well, here we are 4 weeks after Kody has started the Ultimate Workout program. And how are you feeling so far?
I feel good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's been a little bit of a slow start for me anyway, just because I've never worked out. But now that I'm kind of extending the program, and yeah, I feel good. I actually feel a little bit leaner and feel better for sure. So
I can see the difference. We're going to find out at the end of the video how much improvement he's made. Appearance-wise, but that's not really our main focus. That's a secondary side effect. Most of the people that I think do kettlebells are more interested in health and wellness and being extremely fit. So, which you will be very soon.
And I do feel a lot better.
Oh, good.
Yeah, no, I feel it's working for sure.
And every second.
And what I like about it is that in like 20 minutes from warm up, even if I do round one and round two,
yeah,
it's 20 minutes and it's a workout. It's everything that I got, and
perfect.
So I can fit it into my schedule.
You've been doing for the last 2 weeks rounds 1 and 2.
Yes.
And then today what we're going to do is show Kody round 3, and we're going to do round 2 and 3.
Yep.
Plus the 5 rights. And it'll be interesting to see how much better Kody is doing the 5 rights, because your mobility is probably improved. So
I hope so.
yeah. You might not feel it, but I bet you will see it in the video. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, we're warmed up. We're going to do the leg burner. Okay, we're going to start with overhead squats, squat thrusters or thrusters, squat kicks, squats and swings. Okay, and then we might as well time it just to see, because I have a feeling it's not going to take us very long, but it's going to feel like it's going to feel like hell. All right, here we go. Let's start with our overhead squats. So clean it, press it. Okay, sumo stance. Get those toes outwards a little bit more, Kody. Arms straight. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down, and clean up the other side. Here we go. 1, whoa, my arm bent. 2, 3, 4, 5, down. Bring in the stance, clean it, thrusters. Squat down first, buddy. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, last one, 5, and down. Woo, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Your squats look so much better than 4 weeks ago.
Okay, good.
Okay, here we go, squat kicks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Switch hands, squats. Come all the way down. Part way out. Don't lock onto the top. 3, go for the burn. 4, 5. And switch. We're almost there, very close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch hands. 5 swings to the side, buddy. We're almost there. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And I got my heart rate up to 155. Pretty good. My heart rate. I've been doing this for a long time, and I never find it boring, because it gives me it's always hard, it never gets easy. Good job, man.
Oh, that was good. That was awesome.